Yesterday we had a beautiful 50-degree day. Today the ground is covered with snow and it is freezing cold, and we're expecting another round of snow this evening. But yesterday I went on my first metal detecting hunt of 2022. And the reason it took me so long is because, one, work and weather, and two, my metal detector broke somewhere around October, and I finally sent it back to Garrett, and they finally sent it back to me. All good and working condition. So I went on a hunt yesterday, and I'll show you some of the highlights and some of the coins I found. Nothing real exciting, just some change. But it was a fun day hunting again. It was my first hunt, and I'm excited to be able to hunt again. I'm ready for this lovely, beautiful snow to disappear and the ground be ready to hunt again. Okay. Out trying to take advantage of a little time before the snow comes. We're supposed to have Snowmageddon 2022 here coming. My Garrett AT Pro just came back from Garrett and is working again, and my first signal was an 87, and it should be somewhere in here. Should be right in here somewhere. There it is, and I got a quarter for my first find with my refurbished new AT Pro. Good start. Okay, had another 87 ring up on the AT Pro, and thought it was a quarter, and pulled the plug, and it looks like it is a quarter. Another quarter. Off to a good start with the new fixed AT Pro. Very happy so far. Another quarter. Okay. Bringing up 78, 79, 80. Should be a penny, but I pulled the plug out and it doesn't look like a penny. It's looking like a quarter. I don't know if you can see it there, but there it is. Let's see what this is. It's definitely not a penny. What the? Is it a foreign coin? It's some kind of token. Oh, that's cool. Thought it was a penny, but it turns out to be a token of some sort. And it looks like Wisconsin Pizza Factory. Whatever the heck that is. I don't know if we have one of those around here. What's it say on this side? It says amusement. M&R Amusement. Wisconsin Pizza Factory token. Huh. Pretty cool. Strange little find. Let's see what we got here. Okay, it's in the plug. Let's pull it apart and find out. Still in this one. And we got us a penny. Really dirty, can't make a date out on it, can't get the dirt off. Not that old, just a stinking Lincoln. But another penny for the jar. Gotta love it. Off to a good start today. Luckily it hasn't started raining yet, but it is going to soon. So I'm going to get as much out of the ground as I can before the rain and Snowmageddon 2022 starts. Talk to you on the next find. All right. Just had a surface find back over by that soccer goal there. Never found a pick before, but I have now. Pretty funny, pretty interesting.
But over here, I'm getting a, where is it? 85, 86, 84, should be a quarter. Let's see what it is. Right there, about 4 inches down. We'll see what it is. Alright, still in there. Hopefully it's in this. Nope. Oh, it is in there. And we literally have just a piece of junk. Ah. Alright, well, I thought we just had a piece of junk, but there is something in the plug. So let's see what's in the plug. Ah, there's a quarter sticking out of the plug. That's what I thought it was. But I guess there was trash in the hole too. That's why you keep double checking the hole. Got another quarter. Just dug this plug out and dug another quarter. I think that puts me over the $2 mark for the day. Well, actually for the year, since this is my first time out this year, since my metal detector just came back the other day. I've been without because it's been broken, sent it back to Garrett and they fixed it and they did an awesome job. And it is producing today, so this is good. Looking forward to a great summer as soon as this cold weather and snowmageddon goes away. Out hunting again, digging everywhere. Can't wait. All right, this year I'm going to show everything I find, including the trash. I know a lot of you don't like to see the trash, but I want to put it out there that the metal detectorists do pick up a lot of trash. And people just think we're out there with a backhoe digging big holes, leaving messes, but we pick up quite a lot. There's some foil, a bunch of pull tabs and some bottle caps, some can slaw, and these are surface finds. I pick these up and donate them to a charity called Buddy Benches. Look that up, it's a good thing. If you're out metal detecting, pick these up and donate them to Buddy Benches. It's a cool thing. Surface finds, I found me a lace band to cover your shoelaces while playing soccer, and a pick. And then my coins, I got $1, $2, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 241, and a cool Wisconsin Pizza Factory token. So those were my finds today. I'm gonna head home. I may stop at another park, don't know. I'm done here at this park. So I might stop at another one. If I do, I'll let you know. But that's just what I found, and the trash I found, I'm gonna dispose of the trash. And these are going to Buddy Benches. I may keep these here for the Ronald McDonald House. If you find these, donate them to Ronald McDonald House. They recycle them and make money for families with kids of cancer. It's kind of a cool charity also. So not only are you cleaning up the parks, you can help donate to charities and make things better for people that are in a bad situation. Alrighty. See you on the next one. And remember, if you like this video, subscribe and hit the like button and hit the little bell to make sure you get notifications when I put up a new video.